Hi friends, I'm Anila and I welcome you to on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to tell you a very fantastic topic, that is LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn and how can I use it? So I will tell you by practicing it on the laptop screen. First of all, I would like to give you some information about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an American business and employment oriented online service that operates via websites and mobile apps. Launched on May 5, 2003, the platform is mainly used for professional networking and allow job seekers to post their CVs and employers to the post jobs. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network in the internet. You can use LinkedIn to find the right job or connect and strengthen your professional relationships. You can learn here the skills you need to succeed in the career. And also, a complete LinkedIn profile can help you to connect with opportunities by showcasing your unique professional story through experience, skills, and educations. So guys, our next most common question is how to create a LinkedIn showcase in LinkedIn. Let's start. Sorry. Showcase. So first of all, I will tell you that how to set up a LinkedIn showcase page. Here you can see how to set up a LinkedIn showcase page. So first of all, sign into your page admin center. If you manage more than one account, make sure you sign in with one you want to connect to your showcase page. Click the admin tools menu, select create showcase page, add your showcase page name and your LinkedIn public URL. Here's one more other method I can tell you that from your LinkedIn homepage, click the work icon, click create a company page. Third option, click showcase page. Fourth number, enter the required information and indicated by an asterisk. And 5 number, click the box verifying that you have the right to act on behalf on the organization in creating a showcase page. Number 6, click create page. So guys, this was a simple method to create a showcase. And now and here we'll scroll down it. There are 7 secrets to create impressive LinkedIn showcase page. Here is a link that you can create impressive LinkedIn showcase page. So the next topic we can see, there are some questions that major people can ask. How do you create a showcase page? Guys, you can see here, this is the answer. Access your super admin view of the parent page. Click admin tools in the top right corner of the page. Select create showcase page from the drop down. Enter the name and URL of the showcase page. Click create page. On number 2, you can see here, this is the basic question, what's showcase page? You can see here, showcase pages are niche pages of a company page. They allow a company to promote specific products or market to the specific buyer person. LinkedIn users can follow singular showcase pages without following the business on their other showcase pages. So you can see that this website provides a majority of people that are from professional era. A single and person cannot buy it directly. So here is some info about a beginner's guide to LinkedIn showcase page. Click here. Guys, there's a question how a beginner can use LinkedIn. So first of all, there are some steps you have to follow. The first one is that you need to setting up your profile. Your LinkedIn profile is not just a copied and pasted CV. Okay. Second number, choosing your photo. Number third, highlight skills and get endorsed. Number four, make the most of other profiles. Number five, build your connections. The most commonly asked question, how do I create the showcase page on LinkedIn? Guys, here's the answer. I will read here. Please listen. To create a showcase page, log into your LinkedIn company page. That you have, first of all, you have to log in the company page. Hover or click on the down pointing arrow next to edit and select create a showcase page from the drop down menu. To create a showcase page for a product or service, go to your company page. That you have to go on your company page to create your showcase page to list or your product or service. Click the edit button and then select create a showcase page. The next question, how do I get more followers on LinkedIn showcase page? There are 7 tips to increase your LinkedIn company page followers. Number first, specify what your business is about. Number second, include a include a link to your LinkedIn profile in your email signature. Number third, place a LinkedIn follow widget on your website or your blog. Number four, post great content regularly. Number five, run a simple PPC campaign. Number six, follow other companies. And number seven, increase your followers from your employees. And guys, also I will tell you how to create a LinkedIn page. First of all, you will need to write here LinkedIn. Click here. You need to give your email address and your password. Agree and join. Your first name. My first name, I'm giving here Anila. My last name Malik, and here your page is created. Guys, just wait, I think there's some network problem. Please stay with me. Yes, your page has been created now. So guys, this was a video about LinkedIn, your showcase page. Hope you like my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you will get all notifications. If you like my video, please do comment, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.